What's going on, guys? My name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. Today I'm here with Victor. He runs a franchise in Long Island, New York. How long you been with Pacific, Victor?
Actually, with the company I've been for 18 years.
18
This
years.
is my 6th year with the franchisee.
Wow. Okay, so here's 6th year now, and I think you're planning on adding on what, a 3rd truck this
Yes.
year? So third truck. When you started, you started with one truck?
I started with one truck. Now, 2020, I had my 2nd one, and we just trying to grow.
Nice. Those trucks, would you say pretty much we helped you get, keep busy all the time with work for the most of the time?
Yes.
Okay.
And we hope we're gonna keep busy with the 3rd one too.
Cool. All right, so you've been doing this a while. You've been to a lot of our trainings and stuff. You're here at the 2022 training. What do you think of it so far? Like, are we teaching you good stuff? Like, are you learning anything new? What do you think?
Listen, actually, if I have so many years working on this, system has been changing, and we keep learning. Even us that we use the system for many years, we keep learning, so it's good.
Cool.
Training, you actually need it.
Yeah, cool.
And to learn a lot of things from everybody, so everybody exposed the idea, so it's good.
Yeah, exactly. So we have a lot of guys here that have been running franchises for a while. They're all sharing ideas. We're learning new things. We got guys from Texas, Virginia, North Carolina, New York, all these states sharing ideas. We're talking a lot about money, right?
Yeah,
we're talking about money, we're talking about sales and how to grow your business. So we wish Victor the best of luck with his new service truck, his new add-on franchise. And thank you, guys.